This video will demonstrate how to replace the second bias transfer roller in a Xerox AltaLink C8000 Series copier. So what you want to do is go to the side of the machine and you'll have this door that's marked A. So what you want to do is open the A side door, and then this will expose the paper transfer area with the fuser and the second bias roller. So the second bias roller is located right here on the door, and you'll see this little peach colored tab here. You want to press that in until you hear a click, and then you want to lift it up and then pull it out. That's what the second bias transfer roller looks like. And then for installation, you want to make sure these silver tabs line up with the little U-shaped holes on the ends here. And then once that's in, you flip it down, you press it down until you hear a click, and then you close the door. And that is how you replace the second bias transfer roller on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 Series copier.